Now I'll save you.
I didn't think he said.
They all go into the woods.
Take us on the rusted barrels. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Get that prop, boss man.
Huh?
The prop is right there.
I see it.
Never mind. Hold here, hold here. They're coming around, they're coming around. Boss man, right cube. Get on his flank, boss man. Get on his flank.
Look, they're right back here. You see them?
Where?
Right past the white cube.
Yeah.
Cool. You see them flying in?
Take a breather. Get your breath back. And we make a next move.
If we get to the green one in the middle.
No, but hold on here. That's Ragman. I mean, not Ragman. Elias is over there. He's coming from the left.
Yep.
Reloading.
Yep.
I'm gonna hop over to the next barrel.
He don't have range.
Yeah, he does. His buddy right there.
I see him. The other guy's still behind the white cube.
He's moving up on me. You see him, boss man?
Huh?
Reloading. I'm at 12.
He's hit. The guy behind the white cubes is hit.
Copy. Reloading.
Copy.
They're dropping short. His shots are dropping short of me.
That's what I was saying. He don't got the range. This guy. Some people do. He doesn't.
Let's get to this cube then. Oh. Where'd that shot come from?
See, his are falling short.
Y'all copy that? Oh, here's this short right in front of the barrel.
Where's mine?
You good? He got backup coming up.
I'll bother Elias when we get back.
What happened?
So his buddy is with him.
Yeah, I see him.
You see him?
I'm looking for a shot.
He's hit. He's hit. You see me shooting this guy?
Standing?
Yes.
Yeah, I see him, but I don't think they're hitting him though.
We can use full auto.
Copy. Rough. Full auto? Yep. Yes, boss man.
I want to move up.
Hold on. Come behind me and give me my. And give me my my ERP.
He's moving, he's moving. You see him? How do I unlock it?
Unhook it.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Down, down, down. There's a tab in the back. There's a tab in the back. Behind is a tab. You see a little hook?
Yes, now I do. Up?
Up, up, up. Put that back.
Here you go.
Give me that. Quickly. Thank you.
Is it locked? How do I know it's locked?
Ready?
You wanna hold this till I get to the cube?
We coming together. Go. Same spot. He's still there. Right side, boss man. Right side.
Hold on, reloading.
Go ahead. Get behind cover. Get behind.
That's behind. I was gonna say paint. It looks like there's still rounds here.
Wait a second. That's the speed loader one. You gotta wind it.
Oh,
That's the extended mag.
I just broke it.
You serious?
The string.
Watch the guy.
I'm reloading.
On my 12, boss man. Right here. You got 30s?
Yes.
Over here. Over the head of the high. Further back that way. Same range, same location, just further back. Come on. Woo! Cover far right. Shot just missed me. Delirious! On 11. On 1-on-1. Hit you? He hit you? God. Player! Oh, shit. Whoa. All right. We got to rethink this. We're dropping the ball. We need to go back to where we was at. See how they taking up where we was at? Y'all should have came back to me. Why y'all ain't come back?
At first they told me that the other green one was in the woods.
Yeah, but at the same time, if we could flake from the left, they give the people in the front the opportunity to get the damn green. Let's go back to the left. He took my spot. Look. He should have came back. Remember, we had the left side. They had the front. Now they occupying. They occupying. Player left side. Give player cover fire. Cover fire. Cover fire. D. Push the left side and bump up. Where's your gun? The tank is gone already. Come back, let me get this bot back. Wait a second, that's game. Ref!